Hi everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome back to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. In this pattern tutorial, we will be going over a DIY 2-color macrame dog collar. So this particular macrame dog collar pattern is a beginner-friendly pattern. It utilizes the basic knots of macrame such as the Lark knot, the square knot, and the gathering knot. Although the majority of the pattern is made using the square knot only, we did change it up slightly by incorporating colored cord into the pattern. As you can see, by incorporating color, it does give the pattern a little bit more contrast and makes it a little bit more unique. With that said, incorporating color is our theme for September on our BOCHIKNOT Macrame community on Patreon. Within the BOCHIKNOT Macrame community, we focus on a particular theme for the month by releasing helpful content and tutorials in relation to that theme to build on those skills to help you master the art of macrame quicker. This is a great platform for those of you who are beginners in macrame looking to advance your skill set. Alternatively, we do offer a macrame starter kit that goes over the 6 basic knots of macrame, as well as a 2-for-1 cord deal for our premium foundation cord, perfect for those of you who are looking to kickstart your macrame journey with the right cord. If you're interested in any of these, you can check out the links in the video description below. And with that, let's get started.
To begin, you will need some materials and supplies. I've used 4mm cotton cord for this pattern in 2 different colors, as well as a buckle and a D-ring, and both of these are 2 cm inner length. The cord that I will be using for this dog collar is a 4mm single strand cord in our buttermilk color here from our rainbow cord line. Our rainbow cord comes in a variety of different colors. The other color that I will be using is a metal gray, also in 4mm. Although this is single strand, it is sturdy and easy to work with at all skill levels. I will be using this small buckle to make the dog collar, and then also a D-ring, and as you can see, as comparison, they are the same inner length. 2 cm inner length means that it's approximately 0.75 inches. If you're interested in seeing where I got these buckles and D-rings, you can check out the link in the video description below. To begin, hang up your buckle, and then on one side, ensuring that it is the front side of the dog collar, if there is a difference with your buckle. Then taking a strand of color 1 cord at 320 centimeters long, and this is the buttermilk beige color that I will be using, we're going to measure from one end of the cord to 70 centimeters, and we're going to hold that part of the loop, and we're going to attach that onto the side of the buckle using a lark's head knot. Ensure that the shorter end is on the inside of the buckle, and we're going to be adding another cord after this, and so both of the shorter cords will be in the center. So as you can see, the longer cord is on the right, and then the shorter 70 centimeter cord end is on the left. Now we're going to take a strand of 320 centimeter color 2 cord in the metal gray color, and then we're going to measure 70 centimeters again and fold it there and attach it onto the opposite end of the cord using a lark's head knot, making sure that the 70 centimeter long cord end is in the middle. Now taking an 140 centimeter strand color 2 cord in metal gray, we're just going to weave it in between the two lark's head knots, stopping at the halfway point of the cord. Now taking the far left and far right cords with the remainder of the cords in the middle as anchor cords, we're going to make a series of consecutive square knots. Having the two extra anchor cords in the middle will make the collar thicker. Once you have completed one square knot, continue the consecutive square knots below. Continue these consecutive square knots until you have reached a total of 24 centimeters of the macrame. From the top of the macrame to the bottom of the macrame here should be approximately 24 centimeters, and now we're going to take our D-ring and attach it on to the dog collar. We're going to start by taking all of the anchor cords through the D-ring. Then taking the far left and far right working cords, we're going to continue with a square knot. Then underneath, make 2 more square knots. Once the square knots are complete, we're now going to attach the end onto the other side of the buckle. And what we're going to do is we're going to thread through all the cords through the other side of the buckle. You can do it 1 cord at a time or 2 cords at a time, up to you. But thread the cords through, top down, through the buckle. Leaving about 1.5 inches of space at the end of the pattern. We're now going to take a strand of 60 centimeter long color 1 cord, and we're going to gather all of those cords together for a gathering knot. You can remeasure the length of the pattern if you need to get it slightly shorter or longer than 13 inches. Take the 60 centimeter long cord, make a loop with one end, and then take the longer end and start wrapping it around several times until that 1.5 inch of space is covered. Then take the cord through the loop and pull on the top end to tighten. Cut off the excess cord ends on both sides.
And that concludes our 2-color macrame dog collar pattern. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos just like this. Let me know in the comment section below what other macrame patterns and designs you guys want to see. And also make sure you tag me on Instagram at BOCHIKNOT with your guys' latest creations. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.